Hi, and welcome to another edition of Surgimate Learning. My name is Ruben, and in this video we are going to begin our training starting with logging in and opening a support ticket. Let's dive in. First, using Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox, enter the website app.surgimate.com to open the login screen. To set up your password for the first time, select the Reset Password link here. Next, put in your corporate email address and press Update. If you are unsure which email was used, please contact your practice manager or IT support. You should receive an email with the link that will open the prompt to reset your password. If you don't see it in your inbox, you can check your junk or spam folders. Passwords must meet the listed criteria and do not expire. Now you're ready to log in. Once logged in, you can manage your password in the account of the user located in this dropdown. Occasionally, you might need to open a support ticket to receive assistance from one of our excellent and dedicated support gurus. To open a ticket, click on the support link in the top right corner of Surgimate. After registering your email, you will be able to open tickets. To most effectively convey your request, please select the relevant category. Surgimate Practice General is for maintenance requests, such as adding or removing anesthesia, user, or facility. You can also request maintenance for forms, give updates about your integration partners, or ask a question about our Surgimate app. While drafting the support ticket, please refrain from sending PHI. A safer and more efficient alternative is to send the link of the surgery. Each surgery has a unique URL, so our staff will know exactly which surgery you're referring to. To save you time, we recommend bookmarking the Surgimate website and checking the Remember Me box so you can schedule your surgeries that much quicker. Thank you for joining this segment of Surgimate Learning. Good luck and happy surgimating.